The National Electrical Code, referred to as the NEC, does not specify a minimum or maximum mounting height for a meter socket. The range of 4 feet to 6 feet that you mentioned is a common industry practice, but it's important to understand that it is not an NEC requirement. Many factors influence the selection of a suitable mounting height. Firstly, accessibility for meter readers and service personnel must be considered. A height within the 4 foot to 6 foot range generally allows for easy access, reducing the need for ladders or specialized equipment. Secondly, local utility requirements can play a significant role. Utility companies often have their own specifications and guidelines regarding meter socket installations, including acceptable height ranges. Contacting the local utility before installation is crucial to ensure compliance with their requirements. Thirdly, physical protection of the meter socket is important. Mounting the socket too low could expose it to physical damage from vehicles, landscaping equipment, or flooding. Conversely, mounting it too high might make it difficult to access for maintenance and repairs. Fourthly, compliance with the Americans with Disabilities Act, referred to as ADA, might be a consideration in some cases, particularly in commercial or public buildings. While the NEC itself does not mandate specific heights, the ADA guidelines might influence the selection of a height that allows for accessibility for individuals with disabilities. Fifthly, it is also good practice to consult local amendments to the NEC or other local ordinances. These amendments may include specific requirements regarding meter socket mounting heights that are applicable in a particular jurisdiction. Sixthly, the type of meter being installed can affect the height. Some smart meters, for example, might require specific clearances for communication antennas or other components, which could influence the mounting height. Seventhly, the type of enclosure being used should be rated NEMA 3.7 or higher. Eighthly, consider the environment when selecting a location to mount the meter and its height. You should not mount near sources of heat or moisture. Ninthly, also consider the length of the wire for the feed. The longer the wire run, the greater the resistance. Tenthly, consider safety. Do not mount near flammable materials, gases or liquids. Remember that while the 4 foot to 6 foot range is a common practice, it is essential to verify local utility requirements and any applicable local codes or ordinances before installing a meter socket. If there is a service disconnect present, be sure that it is always easily accessible and unobstructed. Furthermore, when selecting a mounting location and height, consider safety. Avoid areas that could pose a hazard to individuals accessing or working on the meter socket. This includes ensuring adequate clearance from obstructions and potential hazards. Also, consider future maintenance. Select a location that allows for easy access for future maintenance and repairs. Avoid areas that could become obstructed or difficult to reach over time. In summary, while the NEC does not specify a minimum or maximum mounting height for meter sockets, it's crucial to consider various factors, including utility requirements, physical protection, accessibility, and local codes to ensure a safe and compliant installation. Always consult with the local utility and relevant authorities before beginning any electrical work.